Good morning, and welcome back, everyone. We are just getting ready to go. We're on our way to the Stave River. We're going to throw the rod in the river, see if we can catch ourselves some salmon. Yeah. Crossing our fingers, man, because, man, we've just had some bad luck out of the Capilano River, or Capilano River, or whatever it's called. Let's hit the road. We'll see you guys down at the trail. We're back to where it all began, my addiction to salmon fishing. Oh yeah, the water's really low. I checked the tide before I came out. Chad said I can get up through here somewhere. I'm gonna have to walk up here somewhere and find a way to cross. I guess I could just follow the footprints. Follow the footprints. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 bald eagles. And we got this nice big massive hawk or something right there. Really keep an eye on that bald eagle. So cool. If I was to take a wild guess, I think the birds know it's a low tide as well. So I'm not seeing anything here either. This is all dead fish and everything is just super low right now. But we'll throw the rod in there and see if we can catch anything. Normally this place is packed. There's like hundreds of fishermen here throwing all their lines in this little pond here. Or they call it the toilet bowl, I guess. But yeah, we'll give it a try. Two people warned me that there might not be any fish in the Stave River anymore, and you know what? I should have listened to them. I should have just went to the new spot. Oh well. It was a good day. Like, it's not the end of the day. Still got lots of sunlight left. I'm gonna go that way and see if there's anything. So I couldn't really find any places to put my rod and catch a fish with the bobber. So I went back, had some lunch, grabbed my fly rod, and I see a few fish through here, so why not just throw the rod in there and see what happens. Got a fly on the hook ready to go, and we got stopped by the conservational officer. Yeah, showed him my fishing license and everything's all good, so we can continue on fishing. We checked my barb too, and we had a little discussion about it, but everything's all good. I did what I was supposed to do and don't have to change anything, so yeah. I do notice there's one log right there, so I gotta be aware of that. But yeah, let's see if we can catch anything before the tide gets up. I think it's at its lowest right now, so it's gonna start going up, and I think at like 7 or 9 p.m. it should be at its highest. But it's gonna get dark here in an hour, so we won't be here that long. All right, let's throw this thing in there and see what happens. So we tried our luck. We did the best we could. I'm beginning to think we're a little bit late on this lake, on this river, my bad. So used to fishing rivers, or so used to fishing lakes, I forgot this is a river. So we're gonna have to give it a try next year, but that ain't it for fishing yet. We still have a few more rivers we can go try. And I'm too lazy to go anywhere. I'm tired. That was a big walk. And I don't feel like going anywhere right now. I don't even feel like hanging my waders up, most likely because I'll be using them tomorrow, but that's besides the point. They're all muddy. I'm just lazy. So yeah, I figured I'll just hang out here tonight and just pack up early in the morning, head out, we'll go do some fishing at our new secret location that we just got given, and maybe we'll get into some big fish. Kind of disappointing that we didn't get anything today, but that's alright. You win some and you lose some. Sometimes you don't get always what you want. And if I got a fish every time, I wouldn't be still fishing. I'd be capped at my annual limit. I wouldn't be able to go fishing anymore. So it's kind of like a blessing in disguise and a way to keep myself busy and healthy and not stuck in the van doing nothing or stuck at home doing nothing. I'm going to pull out a steak and then we're going to have a steak for dinner tonight. I was really hoping to catch a fish on camera and show you guys, hey look, like I can catch fish without my buddy Chad. Alright guys, hit the like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. Peace out.